Good morning to my students. I realize that you felt difficulty, so I am going to clear example 2 of exercise 1.1. Example 2 is given so that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. To solve this problem, let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer. Then b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2 by Euclid's division lemma. A is equal to dividend is equal to division into quotient plus remainder. A बराबर BQ plus R, where we know by Euclid's division lemma we know A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is equal to where 0 R, where R is equal to 2. On putting R is equal to 0, then A बराबर BQ plus 0. If R is equal to 1, A बराबर BQ प्लस R बराबर BQ प्लस 0 बराबर 2Q प्लस 0 बराबर 2Q. If R is equal to 1, A बराबर 2Q प्लस 1. If here we see that 2 is an even integer and 2q plus 1 is an odd integer. So every positive integer is of the form, every positive even integer is of the form 2q, and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. To solve this problem, at first we suppose that A be any positive integer. A is any positive integer, and we suppose B is equal to 2. If we are given that every positive even integer is of the form 3q or 4q or 5q, then we suppose B is equal to 3, 4, 5. But in this problem, we are given every positive integer is of the form even integer is of the form 2q, and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. So we suppose B बराबर 2. By using Euclid's division lemma, A बराबर BQ plus R, where possible value of R is equal to 0, 1. On putting R is equal to 0 in 1, we get A बराबर BQ plus A बराबर 2Q plus 0 बराबर 2Q plus R का मान 0, 2Q plus 0 बराबर 2Q. if r is equal to 1, then a बराबर 2q plus 1. Here 2q, well 2q is an even and 2q plus 1 is odd. So every positive even integer is of the form 2q, and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. So hence every positive even integer is of the form 2q, and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. मान लिया कि a कोई धनात्मक पूर्णांक है, तब b बराबर 2. Then we suppose b बराबर 2. By using Euclid's division lemma, dividend बराबर divisor into quotient plus r, where r is less than and equal to 0 and less than 2. And so on putting in equation 1, putting in 1 r is equal to 0, we get a बराबर 2q plus 0 बराबर 2q plus 0 बराबर 2q, where 2q is an even integer, and if we put r बराबर 1 in equation 1, a बराबर 2q plus 1, where 2q plus 1 is an odd integer. Hence, every positive even integer is of the form 2q, and that of every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. Next, I clear example 3. Now I am going to clear example 3. Example 3 question is, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. Do same as example 2. Let a be any positive odd integer. Example 3, let A be any positive odd integer. Then b is equal to 4. Then b is equal to 4 by Euclid's division lemma. By Euclid's division lemma, a is equal to 4q plus r, because here in this problem divisor is given 4. Here divisor is 4. So by using Euclid's division lemma, a बराबर 4q plus r, where possible value of r is equal to where possible value of r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So on putting putting r is equal to 0. And putting r is equal to 0 in one a बराबर 4q plus 0 बराबर 4q. If r is equal to 1, if r is equal to 1, a बराबर 4q plus 1, a बराबर 4q plus 1. If r is equal to 2, then a बराबर 4q plus 2. If r is equal to 3, then a बराबर 4q plus 3. Since a is an odd, here 4q, here 4q plus 1, here 4q and 4q plus 2 are even integers, and 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 and 4q plus 3. Here we see that a बराबर 4q, where 4q is an even integer, and a बराबर 4q plus 1. 4q plus 1 is an odd, and a बराबर 4q plus 2 is even, and a बराबर 4q plus 3 is odd. So we reject this value 4q and 4q plus 2, because we have to show that every positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. Here 4q and 4q plus 2 are even integers, so we reject this value. Hence every positive odd integer will be in the form of 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. Hence here 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 are odd integers. Hence every positive odd integers is of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 proved.